Yeah, good afternoon, Sri Reddy. This is Vatandurai from Chennai, journalist. Yesterday I had messaged you, and this morning you wanted me to. Yeah, ma'am. How are you?
I'm okay, not that great. Yeah.
That's what I had been following you on Facebook and had watched all your status on Facebook regarding the cinema celebrities. And today it was Lawrence. Yesterday it was.
Yeah. People
Yes.
will think that, celebrities are very happy. They will get lakhs of crores of rupees and they will not face any problems and all, but it is filling up with a lot of shit. So every day we have to see a lot of shit and face the shit. So how horrible it will be, nobody will not, they can't even imagine.
That's right. And day before yesterday, it was Murugadas whom you had accused. Yesterday, it was Srikanth you were accused. And when did these things happen? Murugadas,
Even
is it?
Lawrence also, you didn't see that?
Yeah, that's what. Today it was Lawrence. That's what I said first. Today it was Lawrence. That's right.
Mm.
Uh-huh. But no one offered you any of the movies, eh? All these three whom you
Yeah,
have accused.
yeah, no.
When did this happen with Murugadas? For which movie did he commit you? At that time, he had assured you. A.R. Murugadas.
Uh, See, first of all, I don't know Murugadas before that because I'm completely belongs to Tollywood. I don't know
Correct.
much idea about this Kollywood.
Uh-huh.
So that time, Welgonda Srinivas told me his name is Murugadas. You can.
Who is that Belugonda Srinivas?
He's a writer, a famous writer in Tollywood.
Okay.
Yeah.
He had introduced you to Murugadas, eh?
I'm sorry?
He had introduced you to Murugadas.
Yeah, yeah.
And he had assured that he would be giving you a chance to act in the movie, or how did it happen? How did he take you there?
See, he took me over there and he introduced me. After some time, he left that place. And I was there in that place. Entire situation, I really can't tell you.
That's right.
So, but he promised me, but he didn't do that. I waited for so long time, and he's keep on doing the projects, and he's not keeping me in his projects. And after some point of time, I stopped to contact him because he's taking me very light. So why I should force him? I can't force him, right? So if he is feeling like that, he should keep me. And while doing everything, he can't. He didn't realize, and after that get it done, he felt like we don't need to give any chance. How it will be?
Oh, and how about Srikanth? And when did this happen with Srikanth?
It happened in Celebrity Cricket League, cricket CCL or CCC something is there. Every year this stars will play the cricket.
That's right. That's right. Okay.
Yeah, that time he came to the Hyderabad and they conducted the party last day, so we met there. So someone introduced me. So we danced together, we talked together, and I thought he's very nice. And I don't know that only for that night.
Oh, you stayed along with him on that day?
Yeah. I went next day morning.
And
flirting is different. We have to see this, flirting is different and promising is different.
Correct.
Flirting is, I will not say that flirting is wrong.
Okay.
You flirt with any beautiful women. That's not a mistake. It's a natural thing, and it will do with, even in animals also it will happen.
That's correct.
So impressing is different, right? When you are impressed, then only you can give everything to the man. So these people impressed me with the, I will give you the project, I will keep you there, I will give you second lead. So if they will talk like that, obviously we will get attracted. And also, second thing, they are married. How can I expect that they will marry?
Correct.
So obviously, second thing will be right. What I will expect from them? Only offers, movie offers. When you are a struggler, no, ante every heroine, they will not open their mouth, but majority of the heroine's life will be like this only. So I'm opening my mouth. That's the reason I'm blaming by many men. Unfortunately, but fortunate thing is many women who are normal people, they are accepting the truth and they are supporting me.
How about this Lawrence, and when did that contact happen, you with Lawrence?
While he is doing Prabhas movie, Prabhas and Tamanna's movie.
How many years before was it?
I think 3-4 years.
3-4 years back. Okay. Exactly. What happened?
Someone introduced me to the Lawrence. So even after I suffered like this, even I have to trust the people only.
Okay.
See, I can't go to the forest. I can't ask the offers, right?
Correct.
So anyhow, I have to trust the film industry people only.
Sure.
I have bad experiences. Might be I can be little careful, but that time he said, I'm also very starting. I didn't get offers, so I'm also a struggler like you, and I like to help you kind of strugglers, and you are pretty much perfect and everything he said. And I saw the room that is very devotional, and I thought he will not touch me and he will not ask anything. But yeah.
But you had specified that he wanted you to expose your body. That is what you have specified, and you have mentioned it in your status also.
He started like that. You have to show your belly. You have to show this and that. How big you are.
Oh.
Ramchandra.
Okay. I have few questions, because impressing a person, what you said, that is different, and forcing a person to accept for something is different, and flirting is different, and what you all said, that is flirting is different, and asking a person to marry is different if he is a bachelor.
Yeah.
But you said that he had impressed you in a way, and then later on it was not utilized in a proper manner. That is, he had misused you.
I will give you an example.
Yeah, tell me.
One beggar came to your house.
That's right.
Okay.
That's
that
right.
time your maid didn't come. So your maid.
Correct. Maid
didn't come. So you will ask that lady, can you wash my vessels? I will give you the food, or I will give you the something if you offer. That beggar will clean your vessels and they will go. So what? And like everyone will expect something. Without
Correct.
expecting something, who will do sexual favors? Yeah. And also, beggar need something. I'm in a needy position.
Correct. You wanted, you were badly in need of an acting chance there.
Yeah. Anyhow, in Tollywood, they will not accept to South Indians. They need only North Indians because that Mumbai girls are very much flexible for the sexual favors. So even we also ready, but they are not ready to take Tollywood girls. I don't know. They feel like we are foreigners, and they will do lot of plastic surgeries to their faces. These heroes, Telugu heroes, but they need very height and fair and very beautiful girls. Not South Indians. South Indians, they look dark and they will be normal size in height, 5.3 like that. And South we look like typical South Indians. They don't need typical South Indian look. They need foreign kind of a look.
That's it. What my question was, you had experience, you had few bad experience. Earlier you have said around 2 to 3%, and now you have mentioned about 3%. And the reason 3 days. Okay, a person, you are into the media field, that is in the acting field. You are a celebrity, and you are aware that this thing happens. This casting couch happens, and a few cheats also come there. As you said, I accept it, but first experience could have been a bad experience, second bad. But continuing this thing, doesn't it mean that you have accepted it? Isn't that why you didn't be careful there? Why didn't you be careful there? That is my question. Because one time you can get, you can be as a victim.
Your boss will scold you. It's not mean that you can't leave your entire office. You can't leave your job, right?
Correct.
You have to bear your boss.
That's right. Because my question,
even if you start the journey and if you are in road, if road is 4 sides, you will ask the strange person, you will ask your destination, he will guide you. That time what you will do, might be they are strangers, but he is guiding you, but you will believe strange person.
That's right, I understand,
like
ma'am.
That's
right. You had experienced twice.
No, not yet completed, my answer is. And also, in this field, it is very much common. Okay, past few years, 85 years of Tollywood history, it is happening from past few years as a tradition. It is following like a tradition. It is following everyone. It is following by every woman. So even I followed that. Might be few people are not opening up their mouth, but I'm dare enough to open up my mouth.
That's right. I understand that. You have the courage to open it. I accept it. But for this so many years, don't you know that it is a mistake? That is offering our body to a third person, want of some commitment that has to be happening, that should happen for us. It is just like...
I will give you an example.
Yeah, tell me.
In the very starting stage of our human being, so they used to offer, if you will give rice, they used to give vegetables, like that exchange thing.
Okay.
At that time there is no money.
That's it. That was olden days. Yeah, accept.
So like that, even in film industry also, they will see, if we have money, we don't need to come to job, or we don't need to, do hard work. What we have only one property, that is body. Okay, we will maintain that body. Not like others. We will maintain like anything, and we eat good food, we go to gym, and we will maintain the good body. So what we can offer, or what they will expect, is only body.
That's right, madam. What my question is, there are two offering a body is to one is for their livelihood, where you say where the law says or anything says as prostitutes, that is different, because they lie on a third person's bed for their daily bread. Okay, and here what your commitment is, you say that you had offered your body for the sake of a chance to act in a film.
I didn't offer. They
had demanded you, and you've accepted it.
For my livelihood, I have to do something which I know. I'm an expert.
No, which I know means, what does it mean? Which I know means, you say that...
Which I know means, I know only modeling industry, I know only this glamour field. I have to survive here itself. If you are an engineer, you can't do operation in the hospital.
Correct.
And nobody don't have right to change your dream.
Then you think, then do you say that becoming a victim for a casting couch is a part of a business?
Becoming a part of a business? Which business
No.
you are talking about?
What I'm asking you is, becoming a victim for a casting couch, That is a person who...
See. I'm telling you, this is very horrible questions you are asking.
No, that is what madam. No, madam. I
like to take this kind of questions. I have a good answer to this also.
No, I'm not. Because I'm not asking you in a wrong manner. What I'm asking is kindly understand. First, understand my question. Not only it is not Srireddy. I'm not meaning about Srireddy. Any artist. Anyone who is employed in any company or anywhere, any girl, any lady.
Just listen, please.
Okay. Tell me.
What I'm telling is, past 5 years I'm in this industry. Okay.
Okay.
Even I'm also feeling myself sorry. Okay. Not for the world. First of all, I'm feeling guilty and I'm feeling so sorry about myself and which really I really can't forgive myself. But now I realized I did mistakes. And also now I'm pampering myself and I'm coming out from that wounds, which really hurt. And also a lot of people hurted me so badly because I'm not hurted by directors or producers. I'm opening up my mouth. That's the reason people are making wounds. Okay, that is very hurting. Okay,
obviously.
I didn't accept my parents and I didn't accept I can't accept by my relatives. I can't accept by world. This is more hurting. Okay, still I'm opening my mouth because my life should be a lesson.
That's right. Why don't you file up a police complaint on such persons? Have you ever filed a police complaint or
first of all, I'm in a very bad position. I'm not in the good position financially and mentally also I'm not good and I have less supporters. And but when your parents are not with you, when your husband or wife are not with you, who will pamper you and who will say that it's okay?
Mm-hmm.
I need some person, it's okay, it happened long back and you are a good person now, you became a good person now.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I question everyone, what I will ask is, I will ask every person, you didn't do any mistake in your life. Yes, it will happen with everyone, you are just a human being, you are not a god.
That's right. Correct. I understand. Mistakes happen once or twice, but you shouldn't continue, isn't it? That is what I was asking.
I left my house 10 years back because of this fucking traditions and all. Because girls should not study, girls should not be alone, girls should not do jobs and all. That kind of lifestyle, I really hate it. Girls only for the kitchen? No. We have hopes, we have dreams, we have a right to live what I want, how I want. But unfortunately, India is still, we are back in this, especially in this topic. We are not equal still. We are not treating by everyone equal. Girls are still less.
Understand. Have you ever approached the Women's Welfare Department or any assistance for you for justice?
Sir, I did nude protest in front of the Ma Association.
That's it. I saw that protest also.
And that NHRC came into the this thing, and I don't know, this Telangana government also planning to shut it down, but they are not solving the problems. What they got through these big wigs, we really don't know. I'm a very small person to fight against this, and still I'm fighting. I don't have much energy. I'm completely helpless. And they are covering it up and they are managing the government, and what I have to do? I'm a single person. I'm helpless. Every day I have to go police station. I have to attend the court cases, and there is no survival things also. For the surviving also, I don't have money, and I don't have parents. And who will feed me, sir? Every day, how much I can fight?
Is there no one in the Kollywood industry, any of the senior celebrities, veteran celebrities, to help you there in this regard?
I think you know this, Vishal, sir. And he don't know me personally. He didn't see me. He didn't ask me single question also, what happened? Can I help you? and without knowing me, and he did a comment on Nani. Nani is a very good person. Nani is not like that. She is doing for the publicity. How can he say that?
Who? Vishal said that?
When Nani is with me, is he beside me? How can he say that? At least a girl, he should minimum give respect. We deserve for the respect. And government is like that, and big people are talking like this. So what I have to do, sir? I'm a small girl.
What is the next move in regard to you to safeguard yourself? What is your plan?
First of all, I'm in very bad situation. So I have to do something for my survival, or else I will be on road. Yes, of course, I have a car and I have a house, but if I have to pay EMIs, or else they will also attack me, bank people also. So if I can survive, then only I can do anything, right?
Okay. What do you wish to say to the government, and what do you wish to say to the leading celebrities of Tollywood or Bollywood?
One thing I will say, first thing, I really can't keep camera every day on my bloody fucking pussy. And if they are asking me proofs, I'm completely helpless. Who will shoot that kind of thing, sir? You tell me. Everything proof means where I have to go, and it's my pussy hurted me so. It's already hurted so badly, and if people will talk like this, it will get more torture to me.
But anyway, to safeguard yourself, you have to seek some justice, and you have to approach some honorable court or else the police department or else any of the associations to get justice for you. That is what I'm asking.
Nadigar Sangam Adhyaksha is this Vishal.
Nadigar Sangam?
He is in a big position, right?
Vishal is for Tamil Nadu. I'm asking about Kollywood, because earlier Kollywood is also, Tollywood. In Tollywood you had some sufferings, isn't it, earlier?
First of all, we don't have cash committee against sexual harassment. We thousands of girls we are working here. And every day we are getting a lot of sexual commitments. Still, we don't have cash committee. And we don't know where we have to complain if we get any kind of this kind of troubles. And when I did that nude protest also, government also kept themselves quiet and unofficially gave the instructions to media that don't cover my things. And what kind of a government I'm living in? How much protective I should feel? You tell me. People are doing, for girls we are doing this pathakam, that pathakam, and we will Kalyana Lakshmi, Batukamma, and everything they are doing for the girls. But when one girl came out and talking about the movie industry shit, they are not at all coming forward to take care of this case. Why? Are they getting something? Anything if they won't get, why they are keeping their mouth shut? KCR is there, and his daughter also in a big position, Kavita. Nobody is not talking about this. That was topic am I taking up.
Which KPR you are talking about?
KTR is the son of KCR, right?
Right. Okay.
Three of them, they are ruling the Telangana. And anyone will raise the small topic also, they will give the reaction, and they will help also. At least they didn't talk about this till now.
What the public question and what the top person's question would be is, what I assume is, because everything happened a few years ago, and why is it that the actor Sri Reddy, why is she bringing it so late, and why is she accusing everyone at this point of time? What is that is the question which everyone has. Yeah, tell me,
if
ma'am.
I get one chance, I will set my life. If I open up my mouth, I will not get any chances, right? Now I prepared myself. I will not work in this Tollywood. But
then how do you expect that you will be getting some chances later on? Will it happen now if you open now? Because I don't know
what. You are very much curious. You are not.
No, madam. I'm asking you. You are degrading yourself. I don't want that to happen for you. That is my question. Why do you degrade yourself? Keeping on degrading because you.
See, first of all, listen.
Yeah,
this is tradition not only following by me. It's followed by many thousands of women. Okay, and not only thousands. Even if you can mix all of the India, it will be in lakhs. Okay, this is lakhs of ladies' question, and you don't question me. So I realize that this is a mistake. Then only that's what I'm taking up this problem. And I'm thinking for the good of the women. That's the reason girls should not suffer like me. That's the reason while I'm leaving this Tollywood, I have to talk about this and I have to discuss about this and whoever cheated me, I have to talk because it will affect on my personal life, not anyone. I have lot of life. I have to live life. With this black mark, how much I should suffer whole life? Do you believe? Do you understand? But still, I'm taking out. You have to praise me.
No, I'm not. I'm not degrading. I'm not degrading you at all, madam.
Me right now is after 5 years. Why you are talking? This is 5 years.
It is not my question, madam. It is many people's question. You could have watched the status on your comments. That's
happen. What. No. Listen.
Yeah.
It will not happen overnight. It is process of 5 years of life. Okay. Only one night everyone will come and it's not right. Past 5 years, I think in a year. This many can happen. So every day I'm not doing every day, right? So whenever I need a chance, I ask them and they ask me like this and I pissed off with this and I came out with the topic which is really helpful to the women who are working in the glamour field. And you have to praise me, you have to see my guts and you have to understand my situation.
Madam, I understand your situation. I know the guts you have. No, you have the guts. I understand everything. I don't blame you in that part at all. What my question was, that is what the comments which was going on your status. When I read to the status, there I found out those questions. And that is what I have asked you. It is not my single question alone. It is not to degrade you or anything. I don't want you to be, as a woman, as you are a woman, I don't want a woman to be degraded in such a manner. That was my question, and that was my intention to ask you that. You understand what? Yeah. I don't want you to be put in an awkward position. That was my question. And that's what I asked you.
So I think I have to move. I have another work also.
Okay.
We already past 30 minutes we are talking about this. I think it's
okay. Done. Thank you, Srireddy. Thank you for your interview. And let me see you get a proper justice.
Thank you.